Darn.
Yeah.
Nice.
Except for that. That was not nice. See, it's just normal corn.
Cookie.
I told them they would go.
Nathan. Nathan.
I was like, no.
Nathan.
She send us them quarters, remember? She got them at the bank. Brand new, just come off the thing.
Cookie?
They've never been in circulation
We got cookie?
with all the state.
Into eating biscotti. We're eating biscotti. It's good biscotti. Good biscotti, huh? It's good. What are you doing over there, Nathan? Are you eating biscotti too? Is it good? Is it good? Oh no, you're so funny. You're so funny, yes you are. Hello. Wait till Daddy sees you. Wait till Daddy sees you. Look at you, Nathan. Nathan's Mr. Clean over here.
Another collection of...
Is he eating his cookie?
Yeah, he's eating it. He's got both hands on it. He's not quite as dirty as what Nevah has gotten, but... Yep. He's watching Grandma, and he's watching Brittany.
Yeah.
Chewing away. Where'd your cookie go? Where'd your cookie go? Huh? Look at that dirty face. 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 I'm going to get you too.
From the bank.
What you got in there? I got cookie. You, oh, I see you. I see you. Yes, I do.